students, welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. So today is the second part of writing task 2 question. When choosing a job, salary is the most important consideration. Do you agree or disagree? In the first part, I've already posted a video about how to make an introduction. In the second part, we will discuss both the points for agree and disagree. So let's look at agree first. Financial stability. Obviously, when you choose a job with the highest salary package, it comes with a proper financial stability. You have a stable job, a job that is high paying, as well as provides you with enough pressure so that you are always on your toes, as well as it gives you a financial stability in terms of you are getting a high paid salary so you can work in a tier 1 city or a world class city. For example, if you have a higher salary, you can live easily and save money if you are living in a city such as New York, Manchester, Toronto, London, etc. Fulfilling your materialistic wishes. This is our second point. Obviously, when you have a higher salary, you can afford anything. For example, a top notch lawyer who's working in a big law firm earning hundreds of thousands of dollars can achieve any materialistic wishes that he has. If he wants to purchase a Rolex or a Cartier watch, or if he wants to go to vacation in south of France or any place that has a very high premium, a very expensive place, he or she can work there. He or she can go and visit that place or purchase that item very easily. Higher purchasing power. Again, say kind of the same thing, but this is in terms of basic needs. A person with a higher salary can purchase a bigger house, he can purchase a house with a garage, he can purchase one or two cars easily. He or she wouldn't have to worry about things like mortgage or a car loan. With a higher salary, he or she can purchase a bigger, better car or more expensive item. Okay. Now let's look at disagree. Now there are certain jobs that don't pay as much but provide you with a very good work life balance. This could be the job of a physiotherapist working with a sports team, or this could be a teacher working in an elementary school, right? Certain occupations require you to work in certain hours only. They cannot be extended for evenings or nights. They are not deadline driven. So they can easily provide a good work life balance. Another thing, people look for job satisfaction. Okay, one of the bigger consideration then that people take is job satisfaction. How satisfied are you with your job? Do you think that your job provides you a good mental work state? Does it leave you fulfilled in every stand of the manner? Are you learning every day? So certain people look at that as their biggest criteria and not salary. The last point is personal development. So personal development basically is learning new job or learning new skills at your existing job. This is not as pressurizing as other jobs can be. So for example, let's say I am working with an NGO and they have introduced a new software, you know so I could be learning this new software, and I do not have the pressure to learn it straight away. I can there are The organization provides me with proper training, sends me to the experts, gives me an expert opinion about how to work with this software. So things like that are a part of personal development. Now, is there a counter view whereby you can say that there are certain jobs that have good salaries, but also they can have good work life balance, good job satisfaction, and personal development? Is there a possibility with that? Obviously, there are possibilities, but most of these jobs are pretty rare. So, for example, a NASA scientist, they earn good money, and most of them are driven by research. So, they have a good work life balance, they're pretty satisfied with the jobs, and they have huge personal development. But most jobs, 90 to 95% jobs, are divided into these two things. Sometimes people have to choose between these two things. Like, do they choose salaries or do they choose a good work life balance but a meager or smaller salary? So, when you are writing this question, when you are writing the answer for this question, make sure that you either fully agree or fully disagree. Don't mix things up. Don't try to write the same. Don't try to write both the points of agree and disagree. Because what will happen if in your body biography you write about the fact that you agree with the statement, and in your body biography too you write about disagreeing with the statement, you will have a haphazardous conclusion whereby the reader will not know your opinion. And in this question, your opinion is asked. Okay? So, this is the end for this task, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. So, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button